Unboxing another blockies. Okay. Pangatlong ano ko na to. Pangatlong blockies. First two blockies na nakuha ko ay dalawang bumblebee. So hopefully this one iba naman, guys. Ay, sana iba naman. Oops. Ang hirap talagang buksan. Ayan. Alright. So, come on. Oops. Nice one. Nakuha natin ay itong Optimus Prime vehicle. Alright. So, may kasama ng ating bumblebee. Yan. So, ayan guys. Tapos ko na siyang ma-assemble. So, ayan. Napaka-cute naman niya. Yan. May kasama ng ating bumblebee. Open pa ulit tayo next time. So, upload ko ulit yung ano. Kung makakuha tayo ng iba pang Transformers. Alright.